something that I know a little bit about a trust. When you have a trust, like for me now, having my daughter, going to get married to my partner, I over the years I have stuff. So what I would do now, this is what I'm looking into now, is to put my asset into a trust. Put everything into a trust fund to protect my child.
That is the same thing that Andrew Ones did.
No, listen to me now, let me explain to you.
No,
So
you don't need to explain to me, Nikki. You're making an excuse to
pass away. No, I am not making a pass away.
That was
I
the
am not
same
making a
thing
pass.
that
Mark
Andrew
Golden
Ones
ban
did
in
in
a money,
2015.
Munchie. But Mark Golden ban in a money
Who
is a
said
big
so?
difference.
Me don't know that,
In
Nikki.
father,
So if him,
in
so Nikki,
father,
if
go and
Mark
do the
Golden
history and
ban
in
the money, as
father.
he say, I wanna say,
In
it should be
banning a
no
money.
problem to open up the trust.
In banning a money, whatever
If
in
him
inherit from
banning
them
a money,
parents
I gonna say,
is smart.
Nikki.
But Munchie, let I tell you something. You know, it's rich trust are rich people. Something because most poor people don't understand
Exactly,
trust.
Nikki.
It's rich
But when
people. Something, you know,
Andrew
that's why
Wallace
them
had the trust,
misuse
Nikki,
the
in
trust.
2015, wanna tear him down. You remember that?
Tear down who? Andrew thief the
When
money.
Andrew Wallace had his money in a vehicle with him pitting them name Admat over St. Lucia, uno CM PNP people tear him down in 2015. That's why I bring it to him. You forgot?
I'm not bring it to me much. You know, see when you read when you read the IC report and see how this man move the money and move the money.
So let me ask
where
that
get the money
question,
from?
Nikki.
Where get the
Let me
money
ask
from?
that question.
All right, your prime minister
Now let me ask that
mother no
question about
rich,
moving
in
around
father
money.
no rich, in have no
Nikki,
inheritance,
Nikki,
him
that
a
is
no
the problem
liar.
with we black
Where get the
people
money?
in a Nikki. Uno have only respect for people who born in a money, but no respect for people who build from the ground up.
No.
Nikki.
Me no born in a
Let me
money.
ask you a question, Nikki.
Munchie, me no born in a money. And
Let
me
me ask you a
respect
question,
people who
Nikki.
You
Let me
can't make
ask you a
sure
question.
you so much propaganda upon the live.
Philippian, no bother with it. Let me ask you a question, Nikki. The Integrity Commission, Nikki. There's a section in the Integrity Commission, section 7, where them have permission and a MOU to bring in any agency where they want to bring in to look into the Prime Minister finances. Why did the Integrity Commission bring in the agency there? Answer that.
You ask them.
No, but
them, you know.
All right, next question. Fair enough. Next question.
Ask them, you know.
Fair enough, Nikki. Next question. They brought in an overseas forensic auditor, Nikki. The overseas forensic auditor goes line by line on the Prime Minister accounts and look for everything. And they found nothing to say the Prime Minister thief any taxpayer money. Right? Yes or no?
No. Me don't know if in thief no taxpayer money. Me not prove about that. They never said that.
What is the issue?
What they want to know is how you accumulate this fund.
But
They
the
need
man
to
said
know.
everything.
So why them never
What is
clear
it?
him?
Nikki.
Why them never clear him? Why they didn't
Nikki,
clear
you're
him?
why they never clear him. You're why they never clear him.
Why
You
they
see
never
the reason,
clear him?
Here is why the Integrity Commission said they never clear him. Because he cannot give account for 1.9 million Jamaican dollar. What is that, Nikki?
Oh, you mean?
What is 1.9?
How could they even what he is the leader?
If the Prime
He's
Minister
the leader of the country.
2 days a week, the Prime Minister give away that. Nikki, you know, so that's semantics.
Let me tell you when me come on the live for. This is what me don't want you to add me for. You were talking about Florida, the people that live in Florida. You compare Jamaica with Florida. Yes, me live in Florida.
Thank you.
Compare the people them. Compare the people them Jamaica and say where Randy Santos I do. We don't have the best governor in Florida, and that is known. And you're comparing a first world country with a second. Let I tell you the last hurricane.
Me
not compare Jamaica. Let me tell you something. Munchie, me a Jamaican to the T. Me a Jamaica.
You guys in Florida tear down Jamaica every day, Nikki.
Not me.
You guys in Florida tear down Jamaica every day. The
PNP no mash up. Let me tell you something. Hold on.
Jamaica mash up. Look
Me
at
not
the
talk to
road.
you. Philippine or where you want him. I'm Munchie talk. Me not chat to you. So if you want take me down, you take me down, girl. Me not chat to you. I'm Munchie. Me a chat to. Me not have to chat to you, girl. So you can take me down. I am not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. Let me and you are talk Munchie about
Yeah,
Florida. Cause me live in
tell me
Florida.
about Florida.
Let me tell you about the last hurricane that happened in Florida. That was very bad. I work as a nurse full time, and in that time, a lot of people get damaged. And I can tell you, me get money from the government too. I get money
Me
from the
know what
government.
if people not get no Nickley. Come here, what if a family member Florida?
It was there. The system was in place for everybody who affected.
And did you
the
know
system was
that
in
the
place.
governor where down there worship Nickley?
No, me not worship no governor. Me not worship no
He
governor.
never signed for no get that money.
Listen to me.
He
I
never
am a
signed for no
United
get that
States
money.
citizen and a Jamaican citizen, and me no ready to vote. So me no vote for Grand DeSantis. Me no vote for him. Me I talk about you. I talk about the comparison between Jamaica and Florida. There is
Jamaica every day.
me not tear down my country. I do not tear down my country.
Oh, just want tear down Andrew Honest.
Yes. The things
Yes.
them want going on like the teacher them will run away need to get pay and them something they will talk about.
Country. You know what put in Mark Golden for what? Let me ask you a question, Nick.
No, wait,
what are the policies that Mark Golden never come for Jamaican people?
In tell you no because every time
he not have none.
come with him policy, no thief them.
He not have no
then
policy.
Thief them so him hold them
He
tight until
no
the day
policy,
when them to release them.
Nickley, did you hear him on Sunday saying that Jamaica people are going to start paying for use the healthcare system? That I want in policy.
Me never hear him say that. So if me never hear him say it, me can't speak of which I don't know.
Money. The next policy, Nickley, is that he might give PNP people money so they can buy more food. What is that? And them, we don't want to hear them. They're right. Say not tell because we don't want to hear them there.
Yeah, you know what? Listen to me. Me just did come here for talk about Florida.
Yes, and me
we are
thank you
talking
for
about Florida.
tell me.
Say
And
Florida
I
have
stop
system.
tear down Jamaica,
Florida
stop tear down Andrew
no.
Honest. Because Mark Jefferson go in the white man will not worship. You know,
tell you
no
something.
plan for Jamaica.
Munchie,
no plan.
Munchie, I am not worshipping. We in a 2024. Why are you talking about white and black?
Because
is it a crime for a white man to be in Jamaica? No, Siaga wasn't a what Siaga did a what color man. Your leader Siaga was one. He did a what?
Demonize him. We don't want the white boy.
Country.
No, he did a
Mark will
what?
not tell with the plan. Call your TV.
Siaga did a what?
No,
may I ask?
Nickley, have you been online requesting the resignation of the governor as a citizen of Florida?
Nickley,
so that
you be sure yourself the Jamaican people. Let me ask you a question, Nickley. One more thing. One more thing. Nickley, let me ask you Let me tell you one more question about Farid. Don't Donald Trump tell the people in America the policy where I'm going to put in place if he win? Yes or no?
Yes.
Don't Kamala tell the people in America the policies we shall put in place if she win?
Yes.
So why Mark Golden not tell with the policy and Nickley and it is okay with you? You see the level of the hypocrisy?
Let me tell you. Hold on.
No, but
Listen to me. Let me say something.
Affordable health care. What is more affordable?
Listen to me, make I say something.
Okay, you did up, son.
Munchie. That's somebody where in a attack. I have a lot of family a laborer. Just let me tell you something. It's my family is a mix. It's my mother. My mother is a laborite. Me have a lot. Me don't come to destroy no labor right.
No.
Me talk something with that somebody the way I comment at all. Me not have nothing personal against labor right now because my auntie them, my family, a lot of them are labor right. But you see anyone on labor right you don't listen. Me choose to be a PNP.
People in my labor. We're not
Philip and go suck the blood clot. Mama, you think I'm afraid be a girl? You keep up with your mind not chat to you. You think I'm afraid of you? You think I'm afraid of you, girl?
Mark Golden born in a wealth. What evidence is there to suggest such?
Like you. So I have to cross the line.
Across my back.
Where is a copy of the will? Where is a copy of the will that states how much he inherited from his father? Him they tell we say him not have British passport.
I'm not gonna stay in here and argue. You know, I have a
visa and I'm British.
And I'm not in trouble. I'm not gonna stay. I'm not gonna stay on this like an argue with that girl.
You say he was born in wealth. What evidence is there?
Yeah, take what you said.
Look here.
Stop sending guns in the barrel. Stop sending guns in the barrel, Nikki. Stop sending guns in the barrel.
Me not chat to your girl.
Stop sending guns in the barrel.
Me not understand how come
you did about New York.
What is this? Come mash it up.
No, you people are crazy. Your people are crazy. Really
Nickly,
crazy. You're telling me about me and saying gonna in a
Nickly.
Country, honestly, you me come
Yes,
talk to.
on the
I mean,
PNP.
me that talk to a girl here, right? Yes, and a man, yeah. Me not chat to Philippian. Philippian move her dirty cranny self from here and go. I
Go
talk
and
to
go
her.
watch your catches,
Oh,
And guess what?
Jesus
I go come
Christ.
to
Go
Munchie
watch
because I
your
have a lot
nasty
I have a
catches.
federal license and I have a
Welcome
lot to
down,
do.
man.
So me not gonna
And you
stay
know
up
you
All right,
online
Jamaican
all right,
with a
Nickly.
bitch
Next
that
Don't
will
time,
have
spot.
next
nothing to
time.
Don't
lose.
spot.
Next
Low
time,
IQ.
when the temperature cooler.
Low IQ. Don't spot,
Jesus
comrade. Come
Christ
down.
of Nazareth. Labor right. Uno no me no understand uno want no comrade to come talk on the platform is what? Jesus Christ.
Me
Are
want
you
to
the
come
one
chat.
dazzle no? Boy, they fi cuss them. Dazzle better than that for your man. Labor right, uno no want no
No,
comrade come on the platform.
talking about me know she and one of them are talking about Andrew Holness must resign. Your governor was in our day for wrongdoing. Have she been on Biden platform? Has she been on
Don't
any
spot.
Florida any page to demand the resignation of the governor? I notice me like hear none of them a make up nice and the governor must go. Wait there. Wait there, and this is a man that was that is found that was set for charges. Andrew Holness, no,
She
zero.
said, she not have no, she not vote for them. But me question to the PNP and people like Nick Clean. You hear what she said? She said, Mark Golding don't have to tell Jamaican people his policy because we are got TV. So me ask her, say, if she not here, if she live in America. So me ask, and she live in Florida, which is ruby red Trump country. So me ask her, isn't Trump telling the people of America what he's gonna do if he win? She said yes. Isn't Kamala telling the people of America what she's gonna do if she win? So why is Mark Golding hold to a different standard? Me want to know. Me very curious to know why is it that PNP people and independent people and civil society group don't want to ask Mark Golding what are the plans that he have for the Jamaican people if he win? Oh, he not tell me, Mark not telling him plans and I got teeth. What?
They don't even have people set for the respective ministries. You don't realize them don't even have a person set for health. They don't have somebody set for agriculture. Them don't even
Plan
have
this time, come.
persons.
That's the plan.
Them not even have a
Then
Angela.
I have one, me ask her, me say, one plan me hear Mark Golding have, so when he win, he might go implement back people for pay a fee when they might use public health. The PNP, they say a lie, me tell you not say nothing so. And true, me never hear with more than ESP, never bother with them. But if that is what Mark Golding say, that is just to facilitate the PNP private facilities, them call, you know, say, PNP open wall for private facilities all over the place, you know, guys. You know, you know?
Yeah, he
Down
said
Portmore, down Montego Bay, down Manchester, down Hanover, a lot of private health facility opened by the PNP doctor them. That's why Mark Golding and the PNP want to tell Jamaican people so they need to pay.
And then
did
leave
you
this in them
know
on the hospital to
that
use it and
man
them plan.
invested 20,000 million US dollars in low income houses in the Bahamas?
Your godchild, Nisha, the roof of Japota down a KPH. Oh, you know what going on a KPH, godchild? Because the Andrew Wallace administration made healthcare free, so you could have gone and go see the roof of drop out.
Hello, me can ask some question. I want to ask some question for a man we never yet vote.
Okay, go ahead, awareness.
Alright, watch a style. Me need a JLP nor PNP. See me I say? But
You only
at
wrap
the
up the
rate,
fist. Okay.
yeah, me need a JLP or PNP, right? But me have some question for ask because me see where the country go. Whosoever say Andrew Holness never do good or him fail for the good, I lie my tell because a whole heap of things the man do for the in power, right? So who bias to that? Me I tell you straight up say I lie no I tell pan the dog. You see me I say? But to my understanding of what going on with the IMF report and all of these things, me want to know. Right, alright, we now say a man can have 28 bank account, you know. You understand? But to me, as a man, we never yet vote. I want to listen to me, you know. Me never ever vote. So me want if you know now why Mr. Only touch this charity money, number one. Two, this 28 bank account where this transactions been a flourish through. We want to know all of them things there. You understand? It look like some money laundering and that to me. Me not going to talk for nobody else, right? So me just want to know.
And I'm going to
answer from my perspective. And listen me now. Me no want to know for bash me because remember me say I never ever voted.
Yeah, I understand.
But yeah, so me just a look, you know.
Brother, you come from people in life and act like you're not aligned to no party, but you're PNP. Because if you notice where you're not ask for Mark Golden don't have any asset in him name in the country, even our Julian Robinson. But you come one.
No, the man right. No, it's not about Mark. You know this is not nothing about Mark.
My brother, listen to me. My brother, you see out of respect to the host. You see out of respect to the host because I've been watching her program for a lot of nights. Right? And listen now, out of respect for the host,
take him down to man.
Alright.
The program are going good from 10 o'clock until 10 minutes to 12.
Deal with his questions. Just mute it.
Alright.
And Renz
Yeah,
will
listen now.
answer
Yeah, listen now. Madam, needs need a PNP or JLP.
The man asked a question, you put
But
a
your
answer,
post are
mute
this.
on the mic.
The Prime Minister, yeah, but in your case, so you're not
to see
PNP,
how
but
me
you have
operate.
things
Listen,
that
when
Mr.
you
Prime
talk,
Minister in
me
your
I go
case.
shut up while you talk.
Bunty, let me answer the question for you, please. Just move.
It's a
Everybody,
legitimate question. You
answer
can't answer mute on the mic.
Let me
I
answer the
don't want
question
to ask
for
the
him.
question. That is the reason why sometimes when you hear the poll
Allow
come out and it
Renz
says
to deal
JLP
with
vote
him.
them
Alright,
now.
okay, well, but
Because
it's
sometimes we
shouting.
not chill.
Somebody answer the question that may I say.
Yes, Renz is going to deal with him.
Yeah,
Mute your
answer
mic.
man.
He does not have 28 bank accounts. There's nowhere in the report that says he has 28 bank accounts. He said 28
Alright,
accounts.
thank you, love. That is all I want. Little clarification. You understand? Right. Right.
Awareness.
Hold on.
Just allow
He
her to
said
respond to
that
the questions
28
that you
accounts
asked.
were.
Okay.
He did say that 28 accounts were investigated. 28 accounts. He did not say 28 bank accounts. He does not have 28 bank accounts. Investment accounts aren't bank accounts. Based on the schedule that's in the Integrity Commission, he has 13 accounts. 4 of them, 3 belongs to his parents and 1 belongs to the constituency manager. He has, based on the schedule, he has 13. 4 of them technically aren't his, but they have to put it on the schedule because his name is on the accounts. 1. 2, he did not touch any charity accounts. He did not. According to the report, and the same inspector said it, the investment and people, charity can make investment. The thing is that once the investment matures, the money must go back into the charity's account. When the investment was done or the arrangement was done for the investment, is 2 investments were to be purchased. 1 for Andrew Wellness and 1 for Positive Jamaica. And the investigator said it. Some miscommunication happened with NCB because the investigator stated it. The evidence shows that investment was to be done between Andrew Wellness and Positive Jamaica. NCB Capital Market made a mistake and took all the money from his charity. All the 94,000, all of it they took from his charity. And as a matter of fact, when the mistake was discovered, it was discovered by Andrew Wellness 1 month later after the transaction. And Andrew Wellness says so, it was the investigator who said it. He put it 1 month after the transaction. Well, I'm going to finish. Yes. 1 month after the transaction was done, Andrew Wellness discovered that they made it and wrote to them telling them to make the correction. The investigator found out that they did not make the correction. And when they pointed out to him, he then reached back to NCB and said, hey, what go on with the correction? NCB themselves wrote to IC and said, we were the one who were in fault. He did say, remember, I said the investigator said from morning, said the money was from two accounts. One was to be investigated by him and one was by the charity. When the investigator found out that they did not do as he followed, he did not do as he asked them to say, he reached out to Andrew Onis and Andrew Onis reached out to NCB. NCB wrote a letter showing that they were the one at fault and they made the correction. They actually made the correction. So again, he does not have 28 bank accounts. He have investment accounts. Investment accounts aren't bank accounts. Technically, he only have 9 because based on the schedule, because the schedule shows all bank accounts he has and the balances in the account. 4 of them is not his. 2 for mother, 1 for father, and 1 for one constituency, ex-constituency manager. So therefore, 4 out of the 13 is not his, and 9 accounts he have. And some of them were blank. One of them blank. So if we want to take out that, it come down to 8. And then you have a couple of them with $0. Take out that, it come down to 7. And some of them you have $200 and something in it. If you take them out, it come down to 6. It doesn't have so much accounts.
What's the other question now, awareness? You're muted, Renz.
Come here with Panimfi and ask the next question.
All right, you see, all of them things that we never get clarification. That's why it is good to know the other side.
It was deliberately done like that to. All right.
Hold on. 1989. You know, and hear this. I went and read the reports. I went and read it. And for sure, no, misleading. You're not aligned to the party, but I am going to say. So you're all misleading the PNP are. They're even talking about SSL. Or money was transferred from SSL into
Exactly.
Hold on, I'm not through. I'm not through to show you how misleading it is. The very same page right above, it is stated that he has an investment with SSL. It gave him 2 returns twice per year. And when it finished, they transfer the money into his account. It says that he has an investment. It says he has an investment with SSL. And that the money for the investment going in account. And I don't understand how Dan Monthly decide to just pick out the fact that the money going in the account when the same report say why the money going in the account from SSL. This is why you're not supposed to have lawyers. This is why lawyers aren't accountants. So what you mean go and believe report? Now I see him report and one on run up and down and say I don't believe. I see him report and one on
do not respond to them in the comments.
So why when people start reading the report don't make no sense?
And them a talk about one.
The report want to run up and down behind when Gleaner when I run out send out headlines. Gleaner obviously did not read the report before they start. And now Gleaner find himself not shit because people read it and people have questions about it. Why is it that no when report read one now come talk about the report can't believe? But you know when I read it, when we believe it before people read it, read it themselves.
It's the headline where the Gleaner put out and where the PNP come with them that run with. These people now will actually take up at 171 report and read it.
Hold on. The report itself is structured in a manner that states issues, and then you have the investigation and the conclusion. Some of the conclusion the DI say him still not understand, which I understand why I'm not understand because it's a lawyer, it's not an accountant. What Gleaner did is highlighted the issues that he have and ignore the explanation. And yes, NCB can make accounts mistake. Yes. If you're in accounting world, a well mistake, them in the bank make. What am I gonna think people when I come out and I make up nice and I create but this and this happen with NCB? No, but when people when I come out and say their money missing from the NCB account, you know when I believe, but when and me saying an investigator identified the mistakes.
Exactly, Trevi. Trevi says
not believe it. Not believe it.
Renz Trevi said the PNP knows their supporters are not very bright, so they're playing with them, and that's so
Yeah,
true.
man.
And I will always say the PNP love their doctors and their lawyers up there, so. But the people them were down there, so them only want them fingertip for dipping a ink for keep them in a power.
That is it.
Yes,
Nothing
and they
more.
play into this and sell them the message of poor, 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 poor this, poor this, poor that, poor that. So if I was born poor, I don't want to die poor.
Your
I associate
Nick
myself with
said
riches and
Mark Golden
richness.
born in a money. So because Mark Golden born in a money, nobody not to question him business ethics and him nothing about him money come like Donald Trump born in a money, right? Look on Donald Trump, him born in a money, and who crooked like Donald Trump.
No, he was born in money. How do we know? We're all assuming. Remember, same way we say he doesn't have a British passport and look good and be old couple months later have it. How do we know he was born in money?
Visa and book and get his visa when not never go so. We must just listen to him in Nickley and take when say the gospel. So if you ask Mark Golden to bring one asset back in our country, that is a crime. He's still done. But ask Mark Golden to bring back him asset in Jamaica. That is nothing wrong with that. If you want to be the Prime Minister of Jamaica and we the taxpayer pay you, we are paying Mark Golden as we speak. And first of all, Mark Golden not doing nothing.
This man has not proposed any economic or social policies.
Because we got TV.
Nothing at all. You know? Nothing. They just wanted to vote blindly. Will programs like the second chance, smile, the social pension, the social housing program, the $2.5 billion scholarship, the $1 million compassionate grant to do surgeries and so much more. Will these things remain in place should he gain power? How will he raise money to continue growing this economy? Will we still maintain economic stability? Because without macroeconomic stability, your road cannot fix, you can't fix hospitals, you can't do nothing at all. And they've never demonstrated this. So we can't trust these people. When you're going for a job, you carry a good resume and you have to sell yourself. So when somebody will come to me and me offer one job and them come to me and them not them paperwork, nothing at all, you think that person can get the job? And that is why they can fool uno up. The PNP then will not think critically.
One to Bonnie. Bonnie. Oh, bring Bonnie Hepburn up here. Bonnie?
Yeah. You hearing me?
I'm hearing you now. Good, your mic is mute. Good evening. Good night.
Well, let me tell you something now. Dance are dance. Yeah. And they say tenants in a poil no dance. But interference are go poily. So when I sit down and I listen to the bag, everything that I hear, I say, no, not a thing no go so. Not at all. When me hear them attack, me know say the Prime Minister, I know that they smarty day. Them shame. I wonder if them shame. Them shame for all of the things them with them chat.
One thing with PNP then I know shame Bonnie.
I wonder if them shame. No, listen me now. Me different now, you know, because you see all of them, the allegation and them something there, where them talk, them would have to go pay feet.
Exactly.
Me, this is public mischief, definition of character, and plus chatting what you don't know. If you don't know nothing about people, you better ask people question. Ask question if you want to know something more than you go and make muster. Because this
one she can't even win a seat. She coming like some big iron balloon. She can't go sitting up. That is the only time she ever pretend Parliament will not go and keep it.
You know, see,
she next one.
Jackson Miller for come out and apologize. Because the PM has sue every one of them now. See, I run with him name. They always try to come for the leader. They did
Yeah,
it
because they not no
to
policy.
Golding. They did it to Bruce Golding. They did it to Edward
Bunny, follow me,
Even
Bunny, you know, follow me,
Bustamante. Remember they
TikTok
said
then.
Bustamante was a donor,
Eh?
so he was pissed.
Bunny, follow me,
They're
Bunny, you know,
always
follow me,
coming for the
TikTok then.
leaders.
Me I go and listen. Me I go and listen.
That's what's up. Yeah, listen.
Do want address. Good night, all of you. Me
Good
do want
night.
address the woman when named Nikki Lee. Or she have the audacity of fair talk about where Andrew getting money. Or PNP have so much bad
But
mind.
she sell
Envious
pussy and
talk.
get fair one. She sell her
Also,
bat here.
brother.
Everywhere she sell. All of the old empire. Listen, I can be the academician and I can be the
And a
other
talk about
person.
Mark
So
Wallin
I
born
don't
in
them
money.
can't
So
come for
because
me.
Mark Wallin born in a money,
No.
nobody enough to question him affairs. She
According to
rather than
PNP, we don't ask no question.
she
You
should be
ever see something like this before?
to go and answer properly, you see. With them two outside and bad man.
Because Mark Golden born in the money, we don't feel ask him we don't feel ask him for open up in trust fund.
The
But
black man doesn't have
money
any
making
money.
in lump
And
sum
that
and
thing
money
what
in the 90s.
the
One
black
second,
man
I want to ask
mustn't
one
have any
question.
money. Only the white man.
Only the white
But
man
the
alone
black
must
man
have
must have
money.
anything. And them
Only
say
hear
them
the
love
new talking
store.
points where them so start up with. They are now saying, why is it that the Prime Minister has 20 cash transactions to his account in 3 months? You hear what I'm saying? Why is it 20 cash transactions? Why people are put cash in their account in 3 months? So 20 divided by 3 give about 6.6. What is 6 transaction? What is 6 deposit to a person account per month?
Eh, boy,
And the
I
report
never
clearly
know see
states,
some PNP
They
people.
and the
make it know
report
the
clearly
Prime
states
Minister now.
that
They make
he
it
was
know after the
receiving
Prime
rental.
Minister. Because no,
Arthur, mute your mic if you're
One
not.
question. You know, for me, just want to ask one question. Let me just ask one
Yeah, me
question.
ask a
Philippians.
question.
Let me just ask. Philippians. What format did Dion Jackson Miller's apology come in?
Video.
She made a video?
Yeah, she made a video.
Cause I
That's
saw
why I want.
something
But I
I
like
saw
hearing. That's why
something
I
on
ask. Is there
I
any way you
saw
can
Come on,
point
she
me to
made
it?
a
something on
video.
Twitter.
Is that on Twitter?
I
Yeah, she made a
saw
video. Then on the video, me see you.
I saw a
Cause
written text on
me see
Twitter.
the lion woman for a long time and me say look Pandy and
Okay.
Jackson Miller.
That's all I did want to ask.
No
But let
credibility.
me say this. Remember in COVID when people didn't even have one bank account and they could not get the COVID grant? And some of you have the audacity to talk about people who have more than one bank account and who don't even have immunization card. Who never go 6-week clinic. Who don't have a birth certificate.
Here are your apology. Here are.
I'm always going to be trying to give you the best information, the most accurate information. Hello, everybody. I'm here today because I have to correct some wrong information I gave you. Now, let's be clear. I'm always going to be trying to give you the best information, the most accurate information. But if I do make a mistake, if I do go wrong, which is what happened here, I'm going to come straight. I'm going to come straight to you and say, look, I was wrong and I'm sorry. So in 2 videos, I shared with you information on the gag clause in the Integrity Commission Act, and I was talking about some of the problems it creates. Where I went wrong was when I said to you that the Integrity Commission, because of the gag clause, cannot cooperate with other law enforcement agencies like the Financial Investigations Division, FID. Now, that was completely incorrect, it was wrong, and I'm sorry. And in fact, in December 2021, the Integrity Commission and the Financial Investigations Division, FID, actually signed a Memorandum of Understanding. The MOU was to help the Integrity Commission and the FID carry out joint and or separate criminal investigations. Now, I also contacted the Integrity Commission because I wanted to get a comment from them, an authoritative comment that I could share with you on this issue as well. This is what they said. They said the commission consulted with the Financial Investigations Division to the extent necessary in the preliminary stages of its treatment of this matter. They're talking here about the matter of the Prime Minister's statutory declarations. And they said, having regard to the nature of the concerns flagged for the FID's attention, however, it was decided to share the investigation report with the FID and other relevant entities after the tabling of the investigation report in Parliament. The investigation report is being shared with the Financial Investigations Division and Tax Administration Jamaica pursuant to Section 6.3 of the Integrity Commission Act. And let me just tell you.
And listen to this now, guys. You hear that? She contact the Integrity Commission and then tell her, say, they might share the report with the FID and the TAJ. So why the backside them ask Parliament to give them permission? This is the Integrity Commission a problem?
Yeah, but
This is the Integrity Commission a problem and they just make mischief. You see that now?
But they should have done that prior
and I confuse people. You see the Integrity Commission is just doing political interference too. You hear what Diane Jackson Miller just said? She said she contact the Integrity Commission and they say them share the Prime Minister thing with the FID and with the TAJ already comrade. So if they share with these entities already, that's all. Why them ask the Parliament to give them permission to do what they do already?
Hold on, was it during the investigation?
No, after, you know, this nugget.
No, but they're supposed to do it during the
investigation.
Yeah, but
they do their own thing, Philippine, but hear what they say.
It's treatment of this matter. They're talking here about the matter of the Prime Minister's statutory declarations. And they said, having regard to the nature of the concerns flagged for the FID's attention, however, it was decided to share the investigation report with the FID and other relevant entities after the tabling of the investigation report in Parliament.
You hear that?
Yeah.
You hear that? You hear that?
Okay.
After they table the report in a Parliament, they decide to share the report with FID and TAJ. So if that is the case, why are they asking the Parliament to give them permission to do it? Then do it already.
They might be talking points in the meeting.
They don't want to sign the declaration. They
might try every single thing to tarnish the Prime Minister's reputation and to create mischief and talking points for the PNP. And then they slow PNP them in a chat. The sheep and the lucky them in a chat.
Let's hear from Evangelist.
Well, right, Chuck said they must be forced to sign it.
Let's hear from Evangelist now.
Everything, the bottom line of it is that these people refuse to sign off on the man something. And I carry it go round and round like a merry-go-round.
But you know, your Clive Williams say it's illegal what they're doing. To sign the Prime Minister's declaration. Let's hear from Evangelist.
Let's hear from Evangelist, and then we can hear from Comrade Travi.
Blessings, everybody. Blessings to you, Philippian and the rest, and Reds and Munchie, and you also. I hear Munchie said about somebody call her and tell her about the hospital thing. I want to say it. Yes, I am an evangelist. Yes, ordainers. But you see, when something is going on in your country, you have to look, right? It's all right, right? You have to watch. You have to observe. You have to listen. Not because you're a Christian. You have to listen. Especially when I benefit from something. Yes, me I listen because me not have the money. And when me look at it, and if Mark Golding fi win, and me have to go pay a KPH. Me I think and me I wonder where me I go get it from traveling from Clarendon to KPH. Because me have to already paying the toll, plus me have to go pay for me have to go re-register.
I remember say pharmacy you go lose your prescription because he said affordable health care.
Right. That's the thing. So me I think and me I wonder because don't tell me to leave because I have to come and tell the people what I might benefit from and what you as well
Wait
can
a moment. Wait a moment. Did you know, Evangelist, that is the Christian people in America give Chuck the victory in 2016. They call themselves the evangelical. When they call themselves Travis the
let us
evangelicals.
also but that is the
I want them to
conservative
know that them the
party,
people that Chuck biggest
Munchie,
voter in America.
Munchie,
Only in Jamaica they want tear down Christian people when they
no,
vote.
hold on,
It is
Munchie.
ridiculous.
Munchie, you know that the GOP is a conservative party.
Only in Jamaica when
And
they hear Christian people say they vote, them are going to accept people in comment sin. Not go so.
No. You also know that the Labour Party is a conservative
Only leave the lady
party.
alone is our constitutional right.
No, yeah, pay the comment.
Is our constitutional right if she want to vote. She not commit no crime.
Listen, let me explain. So the Jamaica Labour Party is a conservative party that believes in traditional family values, law and order.
Exactly.
And such.
When they get that
This
style
is
from
Christian party.
that try to tear down Christian people when they vote.
You see, Philippines, let me tell you. I have my disability ID. I get it the other day, and I never know. I really mean I'm a shop I listen to. Because I sit down and I say, my God, it's only Jamaica I look like they don't look on disability. And I was so shocked when me hear them come out and say, if you know anybody that have disability, you can let them go to the part place. There's somebody there that have that department where you can go there and speak to them. The government put it in place that you can get a disability ID now, and it can use as your regular ID. It's just that you're going to have some papers to carry into your doctor to sign and JP.
Then thank you for that information. You hear that, comrades?
You
a lot
have
of you guys
another
need
part
disability
there.
ID. You know, don't follow my going. Go and get to no ID.
It's not done there, so Munchie. You have another part there. I was listening to on my radio as well. Plus, when I go to my son's school, I tell them about my problem. They said that I can go to the part place and explain to them. They have the same place part where you go for the disability ID. They have a program that's going on where you sign up and they can start you off with a little business. They can get up to $150,000.
Yes.
I sign up, but it have to be processed because I'm not just one or two disability person in a Jamaica. Cause you can have a broke hand, a broke foot, and it a give a problem all the way to heal. You become a disability person. That doesn't mean say you have to ban the farm. You have to ban a way to be disability. No, a person can then in front of you and you don't even know so them have an eye problem.
Exactly. You see the problem,
Or a
evangelist?
Down syndrome or something.
Exactly. Jamaican people think so if you have a disability, it's like you have to walk, you have to be a handicap, you have to have Down syndrome. They don't know say if you even have a chronic back pain, like if you're born with a disc not your body not fix good, that's a disability.
Yeah,
They not even know say you're born with a knee, them kind of knock you walk
another thing
you
now.
walk straight. It's a disability.
Mental
You have
health
another thing. When the
problem.
lady said to me that it's going to take a while in the evangelist because you take too long to come, so it's going to take a little while, right? I said to her, so the government not have nothing else. Yes, me I look fit because a lot of us in Jamaica we sit down at our house waiting on the government to come to our yard to give us the handout, not knowing so we can get up off our rump or ask for help from a family member or friend to carry go look for the help too.
Yes. Evangelist,
So what I did, when she said to me, say, Kimberly, guess what happened? Guess what you are going to do? Me I go send you over to that department there, same place in the same place for me there. She said me I go send you over there. So the government have something that open up to every single Jamaican, no matter who you be wanting a Jamaican. And if you are from foreign and you get Jamaica ID through your parents and passport through your parents, once you have a fish show and you have a property, he gave you $85,000 to stock out your business, $75,000 to in case you want something to fix on your business. You choose the one that you want. You go
Evangelist,
there.
I was told to tell you that more is coming.
Say you have, and I'm waiting, but you have to have a food and glass. No. Everybody in Jamaica must know so once you go deal with food, you're supposed to have a food and glass because enough people, you have some nasty people, God forbid, but it's the truth. Now, when you go look for your food and glass, if you cannot read, you let them know and you get help there. It
Can I
is
ask a
so
question?
simple and so easy, but at the same time, we don't want
Hold
to
on.
go get up and do our thing. When I go to KPH, you know what happened? Me couldn't find the $200,000 to do the MRI. Who paid for me? The government.
Right.
That's what I
Oh,
say too.
Evangelist, they also offer a $1 million compassionate grant if you want to do if you're doing surgery in the private sector. Trevi in the comment also say that
Yes,
he
they do.
personally
That's the disability. Over to
the
the disability
compassionate
program. Yes, if you want help to buy
compassionate
an
care.
eyeglass, lens, or anything, the
Yes,
lady
yes,
tell me to said all I need to do is come in with the prescription, and they will copy it, and they will send the money to wherever you're going
yes.
to do it.
So Trevi in the comment, he said that he personally spoke to Charles Jr. and there is more to come soon. I guess he's referring to the disability community, more to come soon.
Can I ask a question?
So can you just hold on for me, please? Me I beg you, me not stay long. But I just come to talk. I just come to tell Munchie because maybe she don't know what's going on in that part. And I come to tell the people them in the comment section that is saying that the government is not doing anything. I am benefit from it. 2021, when I admitted to children hospital when I was a child, you know what? Then look at my mother and tell my mother say, she figure up on TV, go beg.
Yes.
At that time, it was PNP in power.
Of course, that's all I used to tell you to do.
And my mother said, no, want to the government, where the government do a KPH. And not KPH, Children Hospital. And now I get the benefit at KPH. People, let me tell you something. If you can't get the help from the government. Nobody brag and boast, but you don't want no help.
Exactly. But
And then when you're done, you see the government not doing
the
anything.
PNP people
Take
are the
it.
most when I line up down a
Take
KPH and I get
it.
the
It
help.
doesn't matter because the Prime Minister now look on PNP or JLP. He just knows they're not
Yes.
helping people.
All
So
them do
take
is
it
take
help
the help
and
and then
do
come
and
to
stop
government.
say. You go a KPH and you don't have the money, all you need to do is tell the hospital. Say, doctor, me not have the money. They're gonna give you a paper and you carry it down to the people them, and then now them stamp it and tell you where to go and do the MRI or whatever. Take the help, stop brag and boast. God bless you and keep you. I have my MRI to do right now and I'm waiting on the machine to update it at Oasis Plaza. Right?
All right.
Spanish Town.
Right. I
Good
am
night.
waiting
Good
on
night.
them to update
Good
it.
night,
So no
Evangelist.
go on. Take the help, man.
All
All
right,
right.
And go
Evangelist.
to the
CAY.
bad place and let them know someone want to start a business. And they know
Yes.
what it is going like, and get your something there up and running. Your food and glass. Because once you do a business,
Yes.
you need your food and glass. Because if you don't have it, we are gonna know how to talk the food if a restaurant here run. Or you are gonna know how to
Yes.
tear the place. Not because yes, you clean your house, but I know so like how you clean your house, you clean your business place because there's more to it.
Mm-hmm.
God bless you.
All
Evangelist,
right.
there's so much being offered now. All heart offer grants, $100,000 grants to start a business, up to $1 million when you have an established business. There's so much have been offered, trust me. Scholarship, they have a $2.5 billion scholarship if you want to study to be a nurse, doctor, anything in the healthcare field. There is so much. I have a lot of information on my page. So you can go on my page and look. Yes,
People
K,
tap up
come
the
in
screen and
now.
now me not get to 100K and I
What?
soon come off time.
What I,
Selena, you just wake. K, good morning, CAY.
good morning. What I want to ask, is the government running any ads on YouTube, on Instagram, and all that sort of thing to educate the people about what they're doing?
I don't know.
Ask Philippian to work with
And
government.
and another thing, is there anybody recording every word that comes out of Mark Golden's mouth so they could use it in an advertisement against him?
I am sure there's a team because a
Hope there's a
team
team you
Yeah.
recording with K because he's saying a
always
lot.
watching.
Yeah, but
The communication
it's
task force is all
ag-
live as well.
again, I just came to Jamaica for a funeral, and I was amazed at the amount of people who does not know what actually is happening in the country. And when I open my mouth and say certain things, they're telling them to know about that. Not no go so. So
They don't want to know. The Jamaica Information Service also give
listen,
you a
is not everybody is educated enough or has the wherewithal to find that information. A lot of people only learn things by what they hear people say. So if the government is not pushing it on the media, so that when they open the phone, they're hearing these things, they will never know. They'll only listen to what the neighbor tell them. So all that information has been lost by only the educated and the few that educated can get to.
But you know what, Kay? The information is there. It's as Dazzle said, it's on JIS, it's on PBS, it's on the Prime Minister's page, it's on
Yes, but how
OPM.
many people?
Hold on, I'm just trying to make a point here. It's all over the place. It's on Dana's page. It's all over on Instagram. So Instagram also have these two various mix-up platforms, and I find that these people, they flood these areas and they don't go to the areas where they will get valuable information that will uplift and upgrade them, personally develop themselves. So
Where I went,
people should take personal responsibility and stop just sitting on their rump and say, "Oh, nothing now, go on." They
where
don't
I
want
went,
the information.
where I went
most
is a
all of
farming
them
community.
have Instagram platform where they advertise the things that are happening in each ministry. If you have an Instagram page and you follow the ministers, you have even the office of the prime minister who that they disperse information. Dr. Dana, she every week she always come with what's happening for the week and stuff like that.
Five new things that's happening.
Social media is flooded with information.
All right, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, Philippian and Dazzle. Let me tell you
take
something.
Kay's point, don't
Give me a minute,
really
Kay. Let me tell you
Kay's
something.
point.
Philippian and Dazzle, let me tell you something. You see the people them were in the rural part of Jamaica. We wake up a morning time and go them bush and come back in and tidy and go them bed and wake up 5 o'clock again and go bush. You see the one them what cannot read and write. You see the one them will go drop shop, go drink and watch TV. Well, they watch TV channels, but that's it. Those are the people them care talk about. So no still talk about this and that. She is correct.
I take his point.
Walking around the country.
I am not a she.
The PNP is walking around the country for 3 years, telling the people of Jamaica, "Oh, Andrew corrupt, Andrew corrupt, Andrew corrupt." And the JLPs, as we just say, here with them there, then not even the MP, them in the constituency now, the door to door.
Listen,
that's why you have people where Kego don't know what is going on, because not everybody they on social media, and not everybody they on Instagram, and not everybody they on TikTok.
But members
farmers
say
they on no TikTok, farmers people in their farm.
YouTube for do advertisement. If them
the YouTube something separate. So he's talking about the man, the people in the rural area.
Yes,
when not watching no social media.
It's on the radio. It's on the radio. I've heard it.
And when I listen to the radio, King at RJR them a listen. When I watch TV at TVJ them a watch. I don't know where I go and pan them the station there. So these are the things when labor right can tell you stay there. We don't talk about
another problem I have.
Okay, hold on before you move on. Your point is valuable, and I've taken that point into consideration already. So it is valuable and it's important, trust me. It's not novel.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, another problem I have. We have a lot of educated laborers. My sister in point is one of them. And the minute I started to talk about the government and what is happening and politics, all of a sudden, I don't want to hear about no politics because it hurts my head every time I think about it. You know, now, with an attitude like that, how can anybody else around you learn what you already think that you know?
Right.
You don't want to talk about it so other people can hear, because a lot of people learn by hearing. A lot of people could read it from Thy Kingdom Come and they don't understand a thing, but somebody just tell them, and that's what they grasp at. Just like a lot of people learn a trade by just watching or doing the manual thing, but they could never read a book and understand it. Right? So this is the things that I'm talking about. I had to cuss her out and call her you so-called educated people. You know?
Yeah, you're right.
Who
a lot of them
refuse to listen to what is happening, and then you are the same one who's saying that the government is not doing anything.
Yeah.
You know? So that is one of the problems I have with a lot of the labor rights. Well-educated.
Them allow the uneducated PNP them to vote for them.
Exactly. I let them know that
the uneducated people and vote for them, and then complain. Oh, this, oh, that. But you sat there, you didn't vote.
And that is why I tell them that my ink in the pen, my ink on that paper is going to affect their lives.
Exactly. Me not understand them for
I think it's dangerous. Hold on.
No
I'm going
way.
to let Shani come in afterwards, but I think
Shani,
it's
good
dangerous.
morning.
It's dangerous for us to allow these people who can reason critically to make decisions.
How are you, Shani? Go on.
I am great. Lying in bed.
All right, you can take me down out of the box now. That's all I wanted to say.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
idea.
You can come back in the box
What you
anytime you want.
suggested is not novel, and it is in the working.
What you say now, Shanique?
Yes, good night.
Yes.
I am not a laborite. I am not a comrade.
Where you live?
I am not a laborite, and I am
Where
not
are
a
you? Where you
PNP.
live? Jamaica or overseas?
Right at Jamaica, me there.
So you never vote before?
We vote both ways. We vote
So you
for
not
what
plan to vote next year?
Once me see the right thing, we vote.
So what exactly are you looking for in order to push you over the edge?
All right. Listen, me is not a biased person. I work with what me see, what me observe, and what me see for myself.
Okay.
Me listening to you on your live, I've been commenting stuff. You maybe think I am a PNP, or maybe me a labor, something, I'm not sure. But anyway, the reason why I'm coming on in live, you see, I am being honest. You see what, the lady, she's what, a bishop, or I don't remember.
Angeles.
Miss Angeles, all right.
Angeles.
She listening, good night.
Yeah.
Blessings. I'm a true believer as well. But what she's saying about the PAD program, it is true. Because I go about it, and me have friends who go about it. But I'm being honest to you. It is there, but it is not for everyone.
Who is it for?
A system.
For everyone.
You can give me a chance. Let me talk.
Give her a chance, guys, please.
Because
this one
it's
you
what
see
I
them undecided people you come on the platform. Please give them a chance, because by the time the night done, me maybe can get a vote from them. Wanna please talk, Shani.
With what I experience, I am speaking of. We sign up, 3 of us. We sign up because I have a bar, you know, and I was seeking help at that given time, which the bar even know what me now know, because at the time I was seeking that help. Anyway, when I went to the part place, because none of my kids is not on part, me never see that. Me never have a time feed. You understand? I'm being honest. But when I went there, 3 friends of us, there was a lady who came and visit us and take information about our premises and stuff, you know, necessary things. Long story short. And say we must wait. Trust me, I've been waiting more than 2 years. Yes, I'm telling you the truth.
For how long?
We went there 2 years.
Okay.
We went back up there twice. And when we go inside, and the lady say, Tui say, she can explain it to us. This is how we do. They put the information in the computer, and it's what the computer choose. It's not because I need it, I am going to get it.
What system you're talking about? The PAD program or the benefit for help put me shop?
The benefit towards the bar.
So what exactly she put in the system?
She come and she take the information, like she write up her address, she asks a question how many kids we have.
So what she said, based on what she put in the system, you know, look like you not qualify if you get the help. But me not understand that for
no, she never said that. No.
She said, did you go there to sign up your family on the path? Because the path program is for family.
No, she said the system to get the help.
No, I never went there to sign up no family.
But what I am saying that path is a family system. So
but I am telling you, I did not went there for part.
She did not go there for part. She went there to get assistance to open our business, a small business, which is our bar.
So how is path coming at it? Why are we discussing path?
Because it's the part office.
She said the part office, everything one. Just like what Miss Evangelist said.
Office.
Yeah.
So I'm saying to you, this system
look like say, but Shanique, look like say you're never poor enough.
No, listen. I tell her the question name that she asks. She asks how many kids I have. I have two sons. She asked me what type of work I do. I do security work, right? Basically, she asked me my salary, which the government knows security salary.
Yeah. No, you still have to provide the information.
So that's why the situation that you're in. What me understand what you're saying, Shanique?
We cannot
put a policy out and tell people to sign up, people sign up, they say people not qualify. I see with the part program, you know, they need to revamp. So you say 2 years now, yeah, wait, Shanika, which constituency you live in now?
I want to follow up. Did you do a follow-up, Shani? That's what I want to ask. Did you call back? Did you visit?
No, our internet is poor.
Our internet weak.
She said she went there twice after that.
It's like the computer said, yes, and whatever information they put in the system for us, the computer basically is like a, it is not you choose, you know. It's not like once you go there, you get it, you know.
No,
it's that the computer choose.
No, Miss, it's not randomized, you know. It cannot be like that.
I am telling you, I can go there. Miss.
Are you telling me that it's the computer who choose?
That's what you man tell her.
Miss, that is what the lady said. We go to 2 different departments.
Shanique, which constituency you live in now?
Miss, we come from Manchester.
Central, North, East, West, where?
South Manchester.
So,
Miss.
Hold on, Shanique. Did Evangelist speak about path, or did she speak about the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disability?
She speak about 3 different things.
Both things, 3 things.
Because it is so the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disability comes under Ministry of Labour, and path comes under Ministry of Labour.
Anything about disability.
Hold on, let me talk now, please. Yes, so the Disability Council come under Ministry of Labour. The part come under Ministry of Labour. And the Disability Council also provide, training for persons who have a disability. And they also, provide some form of economic help for them so they can start a business or so. So I would have to get more clarity on this whole situation.
Yes, if you not believe me, mommy.
No, it's not a matter of
no,
so
me just
Evangelist has a disability.
Or maybe
So
she just go to the wrong department.
no,
maybe.
I am
Because
telling you.
hold
I
on,
went
I
to
know.
2
You
departments.
see,
Miss Philippian.
Hold
Listen.
on, let me talk now. Part is a family system. So it has to be a parent and their children, whether it's a single mother or a mother and father putting on their children, or a auntie and their children, and she's the guardian for some children, and them have on the grandmother. It's a family system.
So that is why they ask her how many children she have and her salary.
Yes, so may I wonder if there's a discrepancy with she going for part, and me no know, because it seems so conflicting a whole heap of things. So maybe you can add Evangelist. So
Evangelist sent me a request. So let me ask a question, Shanique. So you're not planning to vote because you're but that never worked out.
but let me also hold on.
But listen,
Let me also address this.
So we are gonna vote for. We are the Philippines. We are planning to vote for.
No, me not gonna disclose that. Me vote based.
What do you mean you not gonna disclose that? That sound like say you plan to vote for Bunting.
No, you can't say that.
All right, Munchie, let's stay first. Let us sort out this. And I was going to suggest that she inbox Philippians and see Philippians can help her.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
Evangelist is back. So
Evangelist send me a request, sister. Let me hear where she can get her little money from my bar, because she still want the bar.
Yes, so Evangelist probably can help her.
Miss Munchie.
But I want to also
I'm Manchester, me that too, Shanique.
Miss Munchie.
Take me down, please.
Miss Munchie, you're supposed to know who is me MP and who is my councillor. From me tell you, so Manchester. And that lady, she can, because she know.
So Shanique,
me
let
work
me tell
with
you something.
progress.
Shanique.
Me no work with progress. You understand?
So Shanique, let me tell you something.
Yeah, try add back Evangelist. Come
Yes,
on,
you see, before me vote, listen, me no vote for likes. Listen.
You brought down, come in and touch you.
She's here.
Yes.
Yes.
Shanice.
Right. Yes. Shanice, let me ask you a question. When you go there,
hello,
what did you tell the lady? I'm gonna mute and you tell me.
Alright, Miss Munchie, may I tell you, me I've been lying to you. Because, alright, Miss Angelis.
Our internet now work good, she'll get delayed.
Yes.
Oh, I'm right here, man. I'm listening to her. What she said to you when she got there to the part place, because everything under one roof. But I have to know what she said so I can help her to tell her to go back there and tell them. So let me know what you said to the lady.
Our internet will get trouble look like say mobile data or a dirty flow. And no flow get trouble every night.
All right, you hearing me? Are you hearing me?
Me I hear you, but Shanique not hear you, so maybe a mobile data.
Maybe have a person who came to take the information at your man. You know why I chip in and chip out.
Your internet connection is poor. Your internet connection is poor.
Yeah.
You can go ahead. Try and talk. No.
You hear me now?
Yes.
Alright, Miss Evangelist. Alright. When we sign up, the lady come and take all the information. We wait more than 6 months. I'm being honest. When we go, the first time, the lady say, it is in the system, is whatever the computer comes up with. It's like them set it for the computer, choose who it want to choose. I did not went to part program, feel like get my kids on part, you know. No. I am talking about the benefit towards the business. Right? Let me tell you what them saying we go do. Them saying if we go at the place, them have like a certain place where you can go and build yourself like the stuff then that you need. You go and get it and you get a printout of the items that you need. So if it is $80,000, you have to order the $80,000 item and a printout, like a receipt, but you don't get the items as yet. You get what I say? Then after, you carrying back all those documents and you wait. 6 months time, you go there, them say is what them put in the computer comes up. We go there back, me I tell you, 2 years now, we go there. And I know, when we go there the last time, they send us upstairs. Say, that is the office where we're supposed to go in. When we explain to the lady, she said, Miss, we cannot do nothing, you know. We take the information from you, we put it in the system. If the computer don't choose you, we cannot do anything. So it's like if the computer not choose it, we have to reapply till we get chosen. So it's not like for everybody. It is just a system. Is you get it just like part. It's not everybody get part. You understand? Me know that. Because sometimes you try and it get turned
here, and everybody go qualify. You have to realize that it's a system here. Not no, exactly. So it go, and everybody go qualify.
Yeah, but that's the truth. No, earlier on when you were speaking,
no,
it sounds as
if 3 million of us apply for part, you expect all 3 million of us to get it?
No, Miss Evangelist. Listen to what I am saying.
No, it's not Miss Evangelist talking.
Oh, Philippines, sorry.
Yeah.
2 minutes. All right, listen. What I am saying, you see, me not tell you, say everybody forget you, you know. But based off of what Miss Evangelist stated, it look like once you go, you go get you. You understand? So me I make you know, say no, me try more once and did not get you. Which me not have a problem, you know, because trust me, me work. And me can make ends meet at times. You understand? Me not greedy. You get what me I try to say? But me know people out there when
Can I ask you something now?
Of course.
All right. When you go there, and because sometimes, 2 times you go there and with somebody. I go there for myself and I go there with somebody. And if you do not tell the security officer by being specific of what you go there for, he will fling you in at the part line.
No, mommy. We
All
go
right?
to the, listen, I'm going to make you understand now. It's when we go, we end up going at part here. Being honest with you. Then when we explain to the lady, she said, no, we are in the wrong department.
All right. So you notice. Good.
She sent me upstairs. So we go upstairs, she direct me, but we'll go, we ask question again. I will sit in the office upstairs. And then that lady explained to us. You get what we are trying to say? That is
you get a paper to sign where the business is going to be, meaning if you're paying tax for the land or it's a private place.
Me I try to tell you, there was a lady who came to the community. She identified the building. She identified everything. You understand? It got to that far. It goes as that far. We do everything. They send me to the supermarket where we're supposed to go. And if we get the items, they might get a printout of what we want. We can't tell you what me don't know, you know, because remember, you know how it go. So if me never go, me could come and talk about that.
Right. But all right, what I'm going to tell you to do now, you see? You're going to go back there. When you go back there, did they give you a receipt before, like give you a printout to say this is this and that is that? Did they take your ID, TRN, and copy them and everything when you go there
that
first?
That is when the lady came to us. She take the information. When we go to the office, nobody take anything from us.
Somebody asking if you have a disability, Shani, because remember, Evangelist has a disability.
Listen, you have the disability part different. It's not only for disability. The part that's where she go. You see, Philippian is not only for disability. No, you have the disability part and you have that part, because even my sister-in-law, she's not working at the time. She's not working now, but she got there and she's doing her paperwork to go but the lady tell her it's gonna take a little bit of time because everybody are come. You understand? Everybody keep coming. So it's a process of everything. Just like with part is a process for you to get to on the system. But because she said for the time spanned for so much year, right? Said it's about, I think you said it's a year now?
2 years.
All right, just said 2 years. So what I am going to ask you to do, because me pen different type of where you live, right?
Yes,
so what you're going to do now, you're going to go back there. Pretend as if you never go.
Yes.
Because every year system change up.
Yes.
So you're going to pretend as if you never go there and re-sign up and see. And then you turn to the lady and said, I come here already, but I want to know if anything is there for me. Let her know that yes, you do it, but you don't like for re-sign up and everything. Because then me not hear them ask nobody about if they're working on pay slip and all of that. No, I don't hear that. It's just a business you want to start and you come about the business.
All right. Me I tell you, you say your sister-in-law or your sister? No, quite true what you did say. But me
yes,
I tell
my
you,
sister-in-law.
When she sign up, somebody I go come and verify and ask her those details and question. I am telling you, somebody has to come and identify the business place. Looking at the place.
What the lady asks me and she asks her is that, are you paying tax for the property? I tell her is my grandfather is the owner of the land. But my mother, because my grandfather passed away. But my mother,
You see when at that part there where you asked about the tax?
Right.
It wasn't my property. It was our boyfriend, grandfather property. They said we have to get the permission from him.
Right, so they're supposed to give you a paper. They're supposed to give you a paper for whosoever.
Miss, you realize to me, I tell you exactly what you're saying to me. We did all of that.
So go back there. You're going to go back there and you're going re-sign up. And after you re-sign, because I see people, I see 2 persons come there, come re-sign up. Right? So you're going to do the re-signing up.
But re-sign up, you have to go back over to with all our new documents them again.
No, because me not think so, because me never see them do that. They don't go take their stuff and run back, go copy it, and then they tell them, so then we call them.
Well, we can try back. We can try back. Just to see, I am going to try back.
And that me see them, they don't go take the lady and the man, TRN and ID, and the stuff, the man just grown back and copy them and say, okay, we will call you.
All right. I would never say you're lying because you experienced that part.
Right.
So I am going to
and make sure so your food and glass is up and running when you're going. So
everything be put together. Because remember, if we are going to do something, we have to get the information. And again, the last question I am going to say, not question, something I am going to adjust by MunchieB. Me done with that part there, right?
Yeah.
But MunchieB, I comment on your conversation that you were having with the free hospital. You don't know nothing about Mark Goldie now, because he's new to me. You understand? Whatever you're researching, basically, if you research it, me can research it. Wrong, am I right?
Right.
Okay. But the part when you say free hospital and a labor right, bring it in, you're right. But remember, when Portia did have her interview, she stated that when me figure out at that given time, there are plans that PNP have at that given time, but because them lose, it been a good plan but the labor right fulfill it then. You'd have put it as, right? Because I know Manchester me born and growing up. Me a born
when in 2007, the election of Bruce win. When Bruce suggested Portia and Peter Phillips say no, it cannot work.
Yeah, that's true.
They were against Section 8. Because the country, remember say the country never have no money in that time, they no Shani, because the 18.5 years of PJ.
Remember I know. Remember I know. Remember I know. Me know where you at. Listen. Me I tell you no, cause them time there. Me there Manchester, Kingston. Cause I am from Kingston. If me tell you I come from, I say me a PNP. Right?
Me born in a PNP family. Me couldn't wait to reach 18 to put on my orange shirt.
Alright. Me come from 2 Mile. So you know the 2 Mile.
People say one time out they saw was labor right.
That's a Portia people them.
Yeah,
no, that's a Portia straight. Me
Angela Brownberg, Portia.
With Portia send me.
Years ago it was a labor constituency.
Got school. They say me I got Norman Manley comprehensive high. My mother not pay $1. I me get every book voucher. Everything, me get everything.
Shanique, Angela Brownberg can do that now?
Me not know, me not live there no more. Me
not know. Family members to live up them. We're very curious to know schedule. Me was supposed to do that.
I'm family members. But I did not. And you know, say Portia still there with them though. So me not know. Portia is still there. She never leave them all. No matter how.
Like she visit the community?
She never leave out her people them. No matter how sick she is.
Portia not do them there again.
She not run up down in her politics, but she's there with them. She don't leave them out. She's a people person. Trust me. She is a people person. I am not saying it.
No, me no wait in there. Me not say a lie. Me not go say a lie. But me just say me not see her. She there in Jamaica now?
Me not quite sure, telling you the truth. But she is a people person.
Oh, but they make big party for Portia up to our place. And then say she never know.
But Portia never did. The PNP always a keep party for Portia and Portia now come. Me never see that yet in my life.
But, no, but she have dementia. She have serious dementia.
Okay. And before the PNP,
but the other day when Munchie said something about her, she texted in the group and said, don't call my name.
Who?
When Munchie talk.
I don't real Portia that.
Huh?
I don't real Portia one PNP man that test. They have one named Portia, one named PJ, one named Anjo. I don't real Portia.
Okay, I thought this was her.
No,
people them
but me always they on the live not saying anything, just a listen.
But Shani, let me tell you something now. You see, people like you switch from, cause me switch to, so me not cut. But my problem what me have now, Shani, is that you vote there south or you vote there town?
Right, which part me there?
South. And based on what me hear go around there, Peter Bunting a plan to come back around there. Why Peter Bunting no come back as central when left and when the day? Come back for you long, you see it.
And when they put them in, but guess what now? We have a problem because guess what? A tank we drive through. A tank we drive through.
But no road never run there from PNP time.
No sir, no go so. No see so. That is
so
not
Max Stewart they go the road?
Yeah. In my first person in the road.
What she mean when she said
Christ.
What she mean when she said
Stewart, give the people of South Manchester Road, Shani?
Wellington Armand, me don't know about nowhere else.
Mark Stewart was one of the laziest man. That's why one stranger Coronia win the seat. The people don't even know what Mr. Chin. But when people hate Mark Stewart.
Mark Stewart
but
is
you know, there was a meeting keeping my community. You see?
Guys, well, I'm going to ask a question. Well, on the Shani. So Mark Stewart is the man who come on TV, the pastor man?
No. No.
Mark Stewart was the man who used to be the minister. Used to be the he's a teacher. He used to be the JTA president. He used to be a PNP people be president.
Okay. So
And,
who could be the
alright,
candidate?
there was a meeting held by the JLP in my community, you see?
Mm-hmm.
And I step up on that platform.
Pure.
Mr. Chin, and I said to him, Miss Clear get my vote in a local election. I did tell him that at that point. And I said to him, if you want my vote, prove to me like what she do. Me see what she do. Me see what she do at that given time. Him turn to me and say, so me now get a vote. Me say, me no know, me never see you do nothing. She me see. Me say, prove it. And him say, okay, and pat him on my shoulder. You understand? Me tell him say, I'm not seeking any help for myself. Right? But I have lots of young people in my community.
The man named Master, the man named Michael Stewart. So look here, Shani. Mr. Chin now go and go down there.
Yeah, Michael.
Michael Stewart, the man name. Mr. Chin now go and go down Shani.
Let me tell you this. It's when we did for vote the other day for local election. That's the only time we see that man when he keep the meeting and him pass through and him rally. Not even thanks that man don't come back through here, come tell we. A clear come through here, come tell we thanks. I am telling you that and people talk about those simple little things.
Shanique, we're bunting. You understand? Shanique, we're bunting, I don't know.
Me never see him neither. Me never see him yet. Me never see him pass.
You know, we're getting the Sparks program soon, right? You know, the
but you know, after do not forget vote Philippine because PNP people don't want nothing. But them party in a power.
Right?
Me not sure, me not hear nothing yet. Me a listen, that's why me depend on live.
You never depend on
because guess what?
Hold on,
you see me?
Shanique.
Me not afraid to preach, you know.
Shanique. May I say, you know, aware you never got a Spark program
yes, ma'am.
meeting? You never got a Spark program meeting?
No.
You're not aware that they will be fixing. You're not aware that they will be fixing community roads and so they will be rehabilitating the road, fixing sidewalks, putting in rails and all of that.
All right.
It's a 2-year project.
Hold on.
Yes, so when you see it happen.
I'm leaving now, but hold on the Shanice, me I left, but me want to know, me hear Philippines say something, so before me left, because something that want to come up in the back, so me I go leave. Them I do road something now, because me I tell us a road I fix a Clarendon, me a pen, you know, right out of the stoplight. I years me not drive on the road around behind the new plaza. People, I don't know what I said pretty. God bless you, know me glad. Road are one. Things are going in a
Clarendon.
Take some picture and post it.
Things are going to Clarendon,
me
guys.
say me glad me drive on the road. You me to me auntie. Me glad me drive on it before it mash up, you know, because me I tell you say, me no know if it a go last long. Cause rain always mash up road.
Yes.
But
things
it a
are
go
going to
last.
Clarendon. Shani, things too start going down south. The Spark program is coming very soon. As soon as the rainy season done, the Spark program are going to roll out. So you're going to see Mr. Chin on the road and road work are going to be more active on the ground, talking to the constituents and speaking to the elderly. Mr. Chin are going to work, man. You don't want to put in Mr. Bunting because you know Peter Bunting are the lazy SMP. He just want to win, go to parliament, nothing more.
Nothing.
That's all.
Yes.
So, we're careful on all the round there.
Yeah, for real, man. Mr. Chin was studying, so he finished studying now, so we will see more.
Oh, yeah, man.
Finish him
anytime we see him, we come from Munchie live and say, yes, Munchie, me see him. And if a Bunting me see me, I say, Munchie, me see him.
Yes,
and if the road fix Munchie, I get only a picture.
Yes, the Bunting on there?
No, but no, but me see what she name there. Peter Gay. Me see Miss Claire regular, no. Me see she regular.
Who name Peter Gay?
Whether or not she's here, she's here.
Who name Peter Gay?
That are that are councillor. Round here.
PNP councillor?
Yes.
Oh, so the councillor they on the ground and put in the work. Me don't know what going on in South, me love, because me not come out of my community
We
go
have to
far.
know with every constituency because you're a debater, you're going to have other constituency coming on your life and talking
Me don't know
about
what
their
going on in
issues.
South because me not hear no good news round the Shanique, so me just rest my body because me don't want to sort myself.
But that's the
Because me don't hear
point.
no
You
good
can't
news
come
round
talk
there.
about one side and not talk about the other side.
No, we talk about, we mean one side of Manchester, one side of party.
One side of party and not talk about the other side. Because remember, I know.
PNP say, Shani, not going from PNP that is productive.
No, man, me I listen to you every night you come on here, don't the PNP them. Me never hear talk one good thing where them do.
Me
But them
can't
don't
talk
offer
one good
anything.
thing where
We're talking about
PJ
what is
Patterson do.
currently
That is
happening.
not true.
They're not
Me
That
offering
is
can't talk
not
anything
one
new.
good thing where
Have they
Percival
offered
Noel
any
James
policies?
Patterson
We're
do.
talking about Mark Golding and what he has to offer.
Shanique, I can't think of one good thing where Percival Noel James Patterson do. I can't think
But
of
why are we
one
going
good thing
back?
where Portia do.
No, we're dealing with current things. And
But
if you want,
But
if
we
you're thinking of jobs,
can't discuss
hold on.
where Mark
Hold on.
Golding do.
No,
Because
hold
I
on,
remember
Shanique.
says him
Shanique,
haven't been in it as yet.
Shanique, hold on. Let me say something. When you're going for a job, don't you have to present a resume? So what is his resume? What are you bringing to the table?
But
Do
remember,
you
say
have
no,
good?
when we did have the COVID, you know. All right.
Hold on. Do
But me
you
I tell
have
you something what him
good?
do.
Hold
What
on,
me
no,
see him do.
hold on.
Oh,
Him have good economic policies. Him have good social policies. What are they? Is he bringing this to the table? No, he has not
She go tell me now.
demonstrated
Shanique, I go
that.
tell me. Shanique, please tell us some of the
Tell
good
us,
things you
Shanique.
Mark do.
Tell us.
All right, me not fully 100 know what him do yet, you know. But when me see, when it was COVID and the war did have gone with Russia and Ukraine, and the kids them from Jamaica went to study. I think in Ukraine and they go study. And then they get trapped and could come home and the heap of money where they pay to carry them back home. He donated money towards them traveling. And city that they reach home.
The Ministry of Foreign Affairs did that as well, the government body.
Yes,
Ministry
but
of
his
Foreign
money were
Affairs.
involved.
But
no, it's
no,
private money.
If it's
listen,
he also
it's not
listen.
him alone do it, you know. But I am saying at the end of the
That
day,
is, when we talk about policies and economic policy, that is not what we're talking about.
Shanique.